This is we're down at the River Annan at Hodham Castle, and this is this weed invasive species called Indian Balm. It's incredible stuff. It grows like nobody's business, and the seed heads, you can just see them here. They're amazing. They're like springs, they're full of tension, and they swell up over the growing season, and when they're ready to spread the seeds, you just need to touch them and the seed head will explode. See if I can, whoop, there's one away. So it's good fun actually. So let's see, you need to get them when they're quite ripe. There's another one away, not as impressive. Get some big ones. There you go. Just need to touch it. Bang, exploded. There's another one, that looks quite ripe. Bang. Amazing. I'll try these here. Yeah, they're quite big, sturdy things. You see the seed head there. Oh, if we show you up against the light in the river. Bang. A bit of damp scud, that one. Right, here we go. You can do a lot of them together.